What's up? What's happening, y'all? Y'all can tell by the thumbnail and the title. I was dressed up as a baby and getting shot.
Face.
Yes, I will be getting shots. And again, YouTube, I'm in a nice, safe, and closed environment at CQB City. Again, thank you, CQB City, for letting y'all feel, but enough all that jibber jabber. Hey, let's get these contestants out the way. Let's get it. All right, now we got these contestants out the way. Now let me explain the giveaway. These two contestants, all they had to do is shoot me on the field, and everything will be timed. I have my timer, so whoever has the fastest time will win a beginner M4. Not just an M4, but you win a mag, a patch, some stickers, and also a handy dandy packet that looks like a mag. But yes, whoever wins will win an M4. Boys, are y'all ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So in this game mode, I will be using my mac and cheese. Yeah, you see it, the Mac 10. And y'all will be shooting me with the M4 from Arcturus. Each one of y'all will get a mag. You have one mag, you have one mag. All right? Again, whoever has the fastest time will win. And before we get this game way, we're in a nice and safe and closed environment. We're at CQB City, located in Stockton, YouTube. So Phil, we're in a nice, closed environment.
Oh my God! Wow!
All right, guys, let's see who gets to go first. I have this coin right here, just in case some people cares about their zodiac sign. This is heads, and this is tails. So what you would call it, man? You ready? He was quick. What is it? This is tails. So who you want to go first? Ooh, so you can worry about the time, huh? Ah! Hey, you ready? All right, let's get suited and booted.
3, 2, 1, go!
Recording? Yeah. Come on. Come on, man, go. I need a break. You better go get me. All right, guys, you see it. 1 minute and 29 seconds. Hey, good job, man. All right, now let's get the next contestant out the way. But before we get to the next contestant, let me drop the sponsor video.
Hey, did I tell you if you buy something off my website, you'll be entered into a giveaway? Yes, a giveaway, $100 giveaway. If you purchase something off my website, the first 50 people. And if you already bought something, you're already in the giveaway. Thank y'all for your support.
Damn!
Let's do recording now, right?
Yeah.
He's probably gonna come that way, huh?
There he is. I hear him.
He's coming that way?
Yeah. Wow.
not getting
I think I hear him like left side.
Huh?
Left side, I hear him.
What side? This side?
Yeah, left, a little bit down.
All right, come on, come on.
Probably like near the kill house.
I'm fogging up.
Behind you.
I stopped the video to make sure y'all like and subscribe to this channel. Make sure you subscribe. Yeah, subscribe.
Leave a like.
All right, so the first contestant, he had 1 minute and 24 seconds. The second contestant, let me see the camera. What do you think you got, man?
1 minute and 34.
Ooh, guys, he is wrong. He got 1 minute and 19 seconds. All right, guys, you've seen it there. We have our winner. Hey, congratulations to you, man. Congrats. Here's your M4. Yes. With a mag pouch that can hold things, stickers, and a patch. There you go. And then his mag. There you go. Hey, is there anything you want to tell the camera out there?
He put up a good fight.
Hey, man, congratulations. Hey, congrats out to you too, man. I appreciate that. Hey, and let me tell y'all something real quick. And listen up. I asked CQB City if I can do a giveaway on their field. And they told me yes. And then not on top of they said yes, they said they wanted to do a giveaway too. So we not just have a first place winner. The second place winner, he also get a toy replica too. A P90. Hey. Yes. And this is from CQB City. Big shout out to them, man. A P90, bro. No, thank you for participating, man. Hey, and that's not from me. That's from CQB City. They gave that to you, man. I hope. Yes. Buddy. Anything you want to tell the camera out there?
Visit QB City. It's the best airsoft place ever. And spread kindness.
Hey, you heard it from that. Yes. And this is one of the CQB staff members right here that helped me out do this video. Truly appreciate it. Hey, until next time, we out. All right, guys, I want to give a big shout out to all the people that contribute with this video. I want to thank my editor. I want to thank my cameramans that hold the camera. I know it wasn't easy. I want to give a big shout out to CQB City from helping me out and helping my channel grow. Until otherwise, thank y'all. Like, comment, subscribe, and all that good stuff. And we out.
Derita. Stop. Okay. Hop. Don't move.